Bueno here. So it is about 8 in the morning. I just got a call and we're heading back to El Cajon Pass right here by the 15 freeway and the 138. We're gonna be recovering a Chevy Tahoe that got stuck in gravel. Should be fairly easy, fairly, straightforward job. So we'll see, once we get there. But other than that, I don't see any, much difficulty on it. However, we do get to see some nice, views and whatnot. So stay tuned, and I'll keep recording once I get there. You can jump on the other side.
Let's go, man.
Jump in.
Jump in?
Yeah.
Thank you, amigo. Thank you. Hell yeah, bro. Fucking saving the day. Let me throw this cigarette out, dude. My bad. Hell yeah, man.
All right.
How's it going, dude?
I'm good. So keep going straight, right?
Yeah, keep going straight, man.
All right, let's go.
You're saving the day, bro. Badass truck.
Thank you. So if you don't mind me asking, what happened?
I thought this trail went through. I thought there was an exit the way I was going. There was never a turnout, so I had to reverse back out. And when I did, it got high-centered when I was trying to turn around and get out.
I see. Yeah, we have done plenty of our recoveries around this area.
And you're with Rhino, huh?
Yeah. You said you called somebody else?
I called a bunch of people,
Yeah? What they said?
They said they were on route, maybe.
I'm amazed that some towing companies were willing to do this. Most of them, they won't.
They won't,
Yeah, they won't go off-roading.
I know. That's why my AAA won't cover it either.
Yeah, no.
Sorry, I dropped my leg.
You're going straight, right?
Yes, keep going straight. It's where this underpass is for the train tracks.
All right. At the overpass, right? Yeah.
Yeah, before it.
Oh, before?
Yeah, before the overpass right here on the left.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Heck yeah. 2 minutes left of this track.
Okay.
Be careful of the tracks. You might get stuck if you go over them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, nah, I won't. Been there, done that, and then some, so.
Heck yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, perfect. You got 4-wheel drive on, right?
Yeah.
Because this gravel is really, really loose.
Yeah.
You're almost up the track.
Okay, hold on. Let me go over that.
You're on the rail now.
Yeah,
You're about to be-
that's fine.
Does your thing clear the rail? I don't know if it would.
I'm going over the rail on the other side.
But it's on this side of the track.
That's fine.
Okay.
Right now, that side seems to be a little bit better than this.
Okay.
I don't know how to get through
You
here,
can you can clear that, huh?
though. Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit, you do clear it.
All right, hold on.
It's hard to clear. These tracks are high.
Oh, we got this. Don't worry. Hold on.
Hold on. Oh shit. Fuck yeah, it's a real truck right there. Good stuff. You got to go back over it too.
Yeah, that's fine. We got this.
Thank you.
I don't know how do you went through that side. That is really soft and narrow.
That's it right there.
more difficult than I thought it would be. All right, let's go check it out real quick. I just want to see what's the best way to do it. All right, let's see. So, yeah, I guess I can jump over again. I should have enough clearance. All right, so spray dug in on the gravel. You can see gravel all over the rail and even the front.
Hell yeah, that thing's a beast. Good stuff.
All right, so I kind of forgot to record, but I hook them up, pull them out real quick, pull them back a little bit, and we're gonna make them turn around and then go back that way. So we'll see how everything goes right now. Okay, again back, slowly. There you go. We got a little bit more. Oh, never mind. Wheels on the air. We almost had it. Oh, he's still going. Wait. Let me get that strap. Let me get the strap out of the way. All right, go for it. Go back. All right, so he got some momentum and he's going for it. Now let's go. Alright guys, so he's out, you know, after being stranded overnight, calling a few companies, nobody showed up. I did, we got him out real quick. and now he's going home. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.